Hello everyone, our story starts in year 2020. I had just passed out of the 10th class and my family was planning to send me to Hyderabad for my JEE Mains coaching. However, due to the pandemic lockdown happened and every educational institution started online classes. So my schedule was listening to online classes all day and surprisingly I enjoyed it. I really loved maths and physics. During that time, I got introduced to programming and I wrote my first program in C++ on paper. From that moment, I started loving programming. My schedule was packed. Morning classes at night, I devoted at least half an hour to solving easy programming questions like swapping two numbers and working with elements in an array. I was also doing well in JEE Mains, consistently scoring good marks, and I was pretty confident that I would score a seat in NIT or IIT. Unfortunately, my rank wasn't high enough for southern NITs or IITs, and I ended up getting admission in state government quota. These really hit me hard and caused a lot of anxiety and depression in me. During this tough time, I made a promise to myself that if someone in NIT or IIT was putting X time into something, I would put 3X to get to their level. And I consider myself fortunate to have parents from educational sector giving me an unfair advantage. In the first semester, I started actual coding and completed Java plus DSA. And by the second semester, I dived into competitive coding, participating in lot of contests, simultaneously tackled 3 subjects like algorithms, database, computer networking, CSA, OOPS and many more. And in the third semester, I got into web technologies like HTML, CSS, Node.js, MySQL, JavaScript and completed 2 projects in web development, and I started applying for internships leveraging all the possible resources and connections. And I had a clear plan, but then an idea stuck into my head. I knew coding and I loved teaching. So why not create a platform where students like me could learn coding at a bare minimum cost? Why not establish an environment where students could compete with the top students of India? And so, from that idea, we started Imaginary Hub, a platform where students can learn coding. As they say, if you have a great idea, great people will come to you to help you. That is when I met my teammates, and these guys helped me throughout the building process of Imaginary Hub. In the initial stages, we thought that it would be easy, just shoot the chapters and launch the website, that's all. Later then, we learned that it's really hard to run a business, and I consider myself fortunate person because I got a chance to visit T-Hub and to visit some of the most intriguing startups in India. And I learned a lot of things from those businesses, and we learned that how we are supposed to run a business and what is actual accounting, actual legal terms and all those other things we learned from those startups and from our connection. However, it was hard, but our passion is what kept us going. And as they say, the show must go on. With that being said, we are really excited to share with you a platform for future coders, for people who want to get into tech field. This is a platform for students, created by students. So with that being said, let us improve all our lives. So इस जर्नी में हम ग्रो करेंगे and we are going to make India proud of us.